Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on psychiatry. The first book is Mental Diseases and Their Modern Treatment by Dr. Selden Haynes Talcott. Dr. Selden Haynes Talcott was a renowned American homeopath. He graduated in the year 1872 from New York Homeopathic Medical College and was professor of psychiatry in the same college afterwards. He worked in the Middletown Asylum. This book was published in the year 1901. This book contains 10 lectures. Lecture 1 is on the human brain. Lecture 2, the insane diathesis or abnormal tendencies of the human mind. Lecture 3 on sleeplessness and the cure of insomnia. Fourth one is history and classification of insanity, theories, definitions and requirements for commitment. Fifth one is melancholia. Sixth is mania. 7 is dementia. 8 is general paresis. 9th is treatment. 10th is medical treatment, hospital construction, compendium of Matra Medica. The next book is How Homeopathy Cures Mania, Melancholia and Madness by Dr. P.S. Kamthan. Dr. P.S. Kamthan is a homeopath from Uttar Pradesh. This book was published in the year 1974. This book was written after long and varied observation of about 40 years experience and trial of homeo drugs in recovering patients from various brain disorders. Also, this book has information on drug potency, its repetition as well as guiding symptoms to facilitate physicians in selecting correct remedy. The contents are mania, melancholia, madness, hints making drugs easy in grasp, vertigo, hints for ready reference. The next book is Psychism and Homeopathy by Dr. Jean-Pierre Gallavardin, or as we call Dr. J.P. Gallavardin. This book was translated by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee. Dr. Jean-Pierre Gallavardin was a renowned French homeopath. Dr. Jean-Pierre Gallavardin was born on 5th February 1815 in France. In his adolescence, his health from the age 17 to 23 was very deficient and was cured by Dr. Des Guidi, who introduced homeopathy in France. Then he was converted into homeopathy. This book contains treatment of passions, vices, defects of characters and of intelligence, all psychic manifestations and tendencies of human being. Also, original notes, manuscripts and publications collected and arranged by Dr. Emmanuel Gallavardin. It's the first part, and the second part is Psychiatry Remedies, Matra Medica and Repertory. That is the other book. So this is the second part, Psychiatry Remedies, Matra Medica and Repertory by Dr. Jean-Pierre Gallavardin. Information about the author is already shared. This book is also translated by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee sir. The contents are pathogenesis of psychic medicines. Psychic pathogenesis of 64 homeopathic medicines are given. The second part is repertory of psychic medicines, that is repertory of all the psychic manifestation and tendencies of human being. The next important book is Dr. Andre Sein, Teachings Psychiatric Patients Pure Classical Homeopathy. The first Indian edition of this book was published in the year 2004. Dr. Andre Sein is a famous Canadian homeopath, teaching homeopathy since 1985 in Canada, USA and Europe. This book is divided into two parts. Part 1 is psychiatric patients and part 2 is pure classical homeopathy. This is a very good book to learn details about psychiatry and homeopathic approach. The next book is Psychiatric Disorders with Relevant Remedies, Anxiety, Fear and Phobia by Dr. Roger Morrison and Dr. Nancy Herrick. This book was published in the year 1999. Dr. Roger Morrison is a student of Dr. George Vitulkas. He is an American homeopath. He has published some 20 articles in homeopathic journals since 1984. Dr. Nancy Herrick, she is an American homeopath as well, and she is also a student of Dr. George Vitulkas and Dr. Rajan Sankaran, giving lectures worldwide since 1983. She is involved in research and development of new homeopathic medicines, that is Lac Equinum and Lac Delphinum. This book contains anxiety and fear, phobia, anxiety, panic disorder, deep phobic disorder, maniac depression, Matrimetic of 30 drugs and 22 cases. The next book is Fear and Homeopathy by Dr. D. M. Gibson. Dr. Gibson is a world-renowned British homeopath born in the year 1888. He studied MBBS from London and FRCS from Edinburgh. He became a surgeon and served 27 years as a missionary in China. After the outbreak of Second World War, worked in a TB hospital in Canada. He was introduced to homeopathy in the year 1936, and in the year 1946 he studied homeopathy and he worked in London Homeopathic Hospital. He died in 1977 in Canada. This is a small booklet of just 5 pages, but this article was published in the journal Homeopathy in May 1970. This is a very useful in treating fears. A very small booklet but very important one. The next book is Insomnia and Sleep by Dr. Y.R. Agrawal. The book, Dr. Y.R. Agrawal, as you all know that he is a renowned Rajasthan homeopath. This book was published in the year 1984. Dr. Agrawal is also author of various books. This book contains therapeutic hints of snoring, somnambulism, yawning and drowsiness. The next important book is Perceiving Rubrics of the Mind by Dr. Farooq Master. Dr. Farooq Master needs no introduction. This first edition was published in the year 1989. Book is dedicated to Dr. K. N. Kasad, MBBS from Bombay and MF from London. This book helps in understanding the rubrics of mind. The rubrics are mentioned alphabetically from A to Z. Adjacent to the main rubric, the source of rubric is mentioned. The cross references are mentioned wherever applicable. Meaning and explanation of the rubrics is mentioned. The mental symptoms of the patient are correlated with various psychological conditions. Important remedies pertaining to that rubric are also mentioned for quick reference. The next important book is Mental Symptoms in Homeopathy by Dr. Louis Detinis. He is a MD. Louis Detinis is a student of the Argentinian stalwart Dr. Thomas Pablo Pasteuro. So Louis Detinis is a student of Dr. Pasteuro. Louis Detinis is from Argentina. Dr. Louis qualified in medicine in the year 1972 and now is a professor at the Argentine School of Homeopathic Medicine. The first part of this book studies 194 rubrics relating to mental symptoms, drawn primarily from Kent's repertory but also from Barthel and Clunker's synthetic repertory. The rubrics are given in alphabetical order, nearly always singly but occasionally in small related groups, and are discussed in modern terms, referring wherever appropriate to rubrics of other mental symptoms for contrast or comparison. The discussion is amplified by frequent reference to examples from the author's casebook. Many of the sections end with extracts of Mater Medica from Allen's Encyclopedia of Pure Mater Medica, the major source material for Kent's work. The second part consists of the unedited transcripts of 6 initial consultations taken by the author during clinical classes. Each of the verbatim interviews is followed by questions, discussions, repertorization, and the results for choosing the remedy. They are intended to show how a homeopath may open a case and how symptoms can come to light during the patient's first account of his or her complaint. The book has comprehensive rubric and remedy indexes. Hope today's video has helped you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.